Alright, so we're with the Model Y, and today we're going to be protecting this piece here, and there's actually a problem for the Model Y as it kind of sticks out. So things tend to fly here like little rocks and whatnot else and kind of chip this area. You guys can see it's a little dirty right now, but we'll be installing this PPF. Comes in a tube, and it's already pre-cut for the both sides, and it kind of goes like this. As you kind of can see from the top here, the aerodynamics, how they go. So what doesn't come with this kit that you will need is just the film, is a spray bottle of some sort, and it's literally mostly water and just a few drops of soap, and also a little squeegee here to squeeze out the air and bubbles. So first things first, we need to clean this area. So I'm just going to use this soapy water here to clean it all out. Now you want to make sure this is very clean, as anything that's going to be on the paint is going to be underneath the film. So you want to really clean this well. So once that's clean, we can go ahead and find the film for our side. Well, I guess I was mistaken. There's a little bottle spray inside of it, and also a little rag, and also a squeegee that's bigger than the one I had. So yeah, you do get everything you need. But yeah, we can see there's the film stuck to the white paper. So this is going to be your left and right. Now it's quite important to be very dust-free, or dust-free as possible. So make sure you don't drop this on the floor while you're peeling it, and also make sure everything is pretty dustless. So we're going to grab the water with soap, and we're going to drench this down really good where we're sticking it to. It's nice and wet, and then we're going to peel the protection film off the paper, and as we peel it, we're going to spray it down also with the soapy water. So this is going to keep it from sticking to everything. So it's quite important to, make sure you don't get any dust on this. I'm going to spray it all really good. So when everything is wet, what we're going to do is just line up the film with the body. So you don't want to go to the very edge, you just want to stay just like a millimeter or so off the edge. So we're going to line that up pretty closely, and once we get it, we can kind of start squeezing out the bubbles, and as we squeeze them out, it's going to stick. So make sure it's lined up before you do that. And actually another important thing that I totally forgot to do is spray on top of it also, because your squeegee ain't going to glide very well if it's not wet. So yeah, lots of water is needed underneath and on top. So confirming that we're lined up, we're just going to keep working the bubbles out, and we're just going to go from one end to the other. So I'm just going to start from this side and go that way, but either way is fine. We're just slowly working these bubbles out, and I can see that I actually have a piece of dust right there. And if we want to get it out, we can peel it from this side. Spray it again. Always keep it sprayed and wet. Then we can grab that little piece of dust and then apply it back on. So yeah, not too hard. Just need to take your time. Again, keep the outside sprayed also. Just work it that way. And if you see anything wrong, you want to, get a little nib out or something, you can peel it off obviously and respray everything and then keep going. Like over here, I got a little piece of dust that I would like to get out. There we go. So now we're going to kind of inspect it really good to make sure that we're happy. And then also make sure we don't have any bubbles, and then we can rub it down really good and start drying it. So yeah guys, as simple as that. It's on. Now we just need to let it dry. Make sure all of your edges are cleanly applied and there's no like fingers or some water or bulging. And if we look here, we can see the film is sitting perfect. There's no bunny going on anywhere, so you can kind of see this line here as it is thicker, so it's kind of making like a shadow, but overall it's pretty camouflaged. And now we have protection here on the side of the car. So yeah, if you have a Tesla and you haven't done this, or it's not installed from the factory, because some of them are, especially in the northern states, but in the southern states they're not for some reason, and it's a good thing to have, and it's quite easy to do it yourself.